everyone. Welcome back to the podcast.
This is where we talk about real life in simple English.
No teachers, no pressure.
Just honest conversations.
My name's Alex. I'm from Chicago, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Emma. I'm from California. I love coffee, quiet mornings, and long talks like this.
Yes, we just sit and talk like friends.
Exactly. So today's topic is talking about a bad day.
Oh, wow. A bad day. We all have those.
Yes, some days are amazing, and some days are just not good.
You wake up and everything feels wrong.
Or small things go wrong again and again.
So, Emma, did you have a bad day recently?
Take a deep breath. Yes, actually, yesterday.
Oh, no. What happened?
Okay, so first, I woke up late.
That's already stressful.
Yes, my alarm didn't ring, or maybe I didn't hear it. I don't know.
That feeling is the worst. You open your eyes and look at the clock.
And you say, oh no.
Exactly.
So I jumped out of bed. I was in a hurry. I didn't even brush my hair properly.
We've all been there.
Then I went to the kitchen to make coffee, and there was no coffee left.
No coffee? That's a serious problem.
Very serious. I need coffee in the morning. Without coffee, I feel slow and tired.
Same here. Coffee is like energy in a cup.
Yes, so I felt annoyed, a little angry.
Did you buy coffee later?
I did, but wait, it gets worse.
Oh, no.
I was driving to work, and there was so much traffic.
Of course, on a bad day, traffic is always worse.
Yes, I looked at the clock again. I knew I would be late.
How did you feel?
Nervous. My heart was beating fast. I don't like being late.
Me neither. It feels disrespectful.
Exactly. So I arrived at work 10 minutes late.
That's not too bad.
But my boss was already there.
Oh.
He looked at me and said, "Good morning," but his voice was very serious.
That serious voice.
Yes, I felt small.
Did you explain?
I said, "I'm so sorry, there was traffic."
That's honest.
He nodded. He didn't say much, but I still felt bad.
Sometimes we feel bad even if it's not a big problem.
Yes, it was just the beginning of the day.
So what happened next?
I had a meeting at 10 a.m.
Important meeting?
Yes, I had to present a small project.
Were you ready?
I thought I was ready, but when I started speaking, my mind went blank.
Oh no.
I forgot a word, a very simple word.
That happens to me all the time.
I just stood there and said,
The famous
Yes, I felt embarrassed. My face was hot.
Did someone help you?
One of my coworkers said the word for me.
That's kind.
Yes, but I still felt bad. I kept thinking about it all day.
Sometimes one small mistake stays in our head.
Exactly, even if no one else cares.
So after the meeting, did things get better?
Not really.
Oh, wow.
I went to lunch. I ordered a salad.
Healthy choice?
Yes, but they forgot my order.
No.
They waited for 20 minutes. Then I asked, "Excuse me, where is my salad?"
And?
They said, "Oh, we're so sorry, we forgot."
That's frustrating.
Yes, by then I was very hungry.
Hunger makes everything worse.
It really does. I felt tired, hungry, and disappointed.
That sounds like a heavy day.
It was. And you know what's funny?
What?
Nothing was very big. No big disaster.
Just small problems together.
Yes, small problems together feel big.
That's true.
So, what about you, Alex? When was your last bad day?
Last week,
What happened?
I spilled coffee on my shirt in the morning.
Oh no.
And it was a white shirt.
That's the worst color for coffee.
Exactly. I tried to clean it, but the stain was still there.
Did you change your shirt?
I didn't have time, so I just went to work with a brown spot on my chest.
Oh my gosh.
I felt so embarrassed.
Did anyone say anything?
Yes, my friend said, "Nice design."
That's funny.
I laughed too, but inside I felt uncomfortable.
Sometimes we laugh outside, but feel bad inside.
Exactly. Then later that day, I got an email.
Good email or bad email?
Not good. My project was not accepted.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you. My manager said I need to improve it.
That can feel disappointing.
Yes, I worked hard on it.
Did you feel angry?
Not angry, more sad and tired.
Tired in your body or tired in your heart?
Pause. Tired in my heart.
I understand that feeling.
I went home and didn't want to talk to anyone.
You just wanted quiet.
Yes, I sat on the couch and watched TV.
Did that help?
A little, but I was still thinking about the email.
It's hard to stop thinking.
Very hard.
So, what do you usually do on a bad day?
I try to remind myself it's just one day.
That's a good sentence. It's just one day.
Yes, tomorrow can be better.
I like that.
What do you do?
I call my sister.
That's sweet.
She always listens. She says, "It's okay. You're human."
That's powerful.
Yes, sometimes we forget we're human. We think we must be perfect.
Especially at work.
Yes, we want to do everything right, but mistakes happen.
And bad days happen.
Do you think bad days are important?
Yes.
Why?
Because they teach us something.
Like what?
They teach us patience.
That's true.
And they teach us to be kind to other people.
How so?
If I know how a bad day feels, I can understand other people better.
Oh, I like that.
Maybe the cashier is rude because she is having a bad day.
Maybe your coworker is quiet because he feels sad.
Exactly. So bad days make us more understanding.
Yes, if we let them.
That's a big if.
Yes.
Do you ever cry on a bad day?
Sometimes.
Me too.
And that's okay.
Yes, crying is not weakness.
It's just emotion.
After your bad day yesterday, what did you do at night?
I took a long shower.
That sounds relaxing.
It was. Warm water helps me feel calm.
Did you feel better after?
A little. Then I made tea.
Tea is peaceful.
Yes, I sat quietly and thought about my day.
What did you think?
I realized nothing terrible happened.
Just small problems.
Yes, small problems together feel big.
That's true.
So, have you ever tried to talk about your bad day in English?
Not really.
Did you feel difficult?
Yes, sometimes it's difficult to find the right words.
Yes, but talking about it can help, right?
Yes, talking to someone, even in English, can make the bad feelings smaller.
That's true. So, if you're listening right now,
And you're having a bad day,
we want to say something to you.
it's okay.
You're not alone,
Everyone has bad days,
even us.
especially us.
So, tomorrow is another chance.
And tonight, be kind to yourself.
Maybe drink tea,
Or call a friend.
or just rest.
You deserve rest.
So, Emma, final question. Yes?
What is one sentence you tell yourself on a bad day?
I say, this feeling will pass.
That's beautiful.
What about you?
I say, keep going.
Simple, strong.
Yeah, just keep going.
Bad days don't last forever.
But strong people do.
I like that.
You know, there's something interesting about bad days.
What?
Sometimes they start before anything even happens.
Oh, you mean when you wake up in a bad mood?
Yes, exactly. Nothing is wrong, but you just feel off.
I understand that. It's like a heavy feeling in your chest.
Yes, and you don't even know why.
That happened to me last month.
Really? Tell me.
I woke up and I just felt sad. No reason, no problem, just sad.
That's hard. When there's no clear reason, it feels confusing.
Very confusing. I kept asking myself, why do I feel like this?
Did something happen the day before?
Not really. It was a normal day. I think I was just tired.
Sleep is so important.
Yes, when I don't sleep well, everything feels worse.
Same here. If I sleep only 5 hours, I am not a nice person the next day.
Same. I get quiet and serious.
So what did you do on that sad morning?
I made breakfast, slowly. I didn't rush.
That's good.
I opened the window. The air was fresh. That helped a little.
Small things can help.
Yes, sometimes we look for big solutions, but small things matter.
Like music.
Oh, yes. Music changes my mood so fast.
Me too. If I play my favorite song, I feel more alive.
What kind of music do you listen to on a bad day?
Soft music, calm music, nothing loud.
Same. I like peaceful songs.
Do you ever go for a walk when you feel bad?
Yes, walking helps me think.
Or sometimes it helps me stop thinking.
That's even better.
That's true.
You know what makes a bad day worse?
What?
Comparing yourself to other people.
Oh, yes, that's dangerous.
You look at social media and everyone looks happy.
Everyone looks successful.
Everyone looks perfect.
But that's not real life.
Exactly. We only see the good moments.
Nobody posts, "Hey, I cried today."
Yes, no one posts that.
Maybe we should start that trend.
Today I had a bad day.
With a picture of messy hair and coffee stains.
Very real, very honest.
I think honesty is important.
Me too. When we talk about bad days, other people feel safe.
Safe to say, "Me too."
Yes, those two words are powerful.
Me too.
It makes you feel less alone.
Have you ever had a bad day because of a misunderstanding?
Oh, yes, many times.
Tell me one.
Okay, one time my friend didn't reply to my message.
That's stressful.
Yes, I thought she was angry with me.
Our mind creates stories.
Exactly. I imagined everything. Maybe I said something wrong.
And?
Later, she called me and said, "Sorry, my phone battery died."
So simple.
Yes, but I spent the whole day worried.
Our imagination is strong.
Too strong sometimes.
I had something similar.
What happened?
My manager didn't smile at me one morning.
Just that?
Just that. But I thought, did I do something wrong?
Oh no.
Later, I found out he had a headache.
See, it wasn't about you.
Exactly, but during the day, I felt stressed.
Sometimes bad days are just wrong thoughts.
That's very true.
So maybe we should ask questions instead of assuming.
Yes, communication helps.
Very much.
Another thing, sometimes bad days come from pressure.
Pressure at work?
Work, family, expectations.
Yes, when we expect too much of ourselves.
I do that a lot.
Me too. I make a long to-do list.
And then you can't finish it.
Exactly. Then I feel like I failed.
But maybe the list was too long.
Probably.
I started writing only 3 important things per day.
That's smart.
If I finish those 3, I feel proud.
That's a great idea.
It makes the day feel successful.
Even if small problems happen.
Yes, because you still did something good.
I like that mindset.
Thank you. You know, talking about this makes me feel lighter.
Me too. Sharing helps. If you are listening right now, maybe try talking to someone.
A friend, a family member?
Or even write in a notebook.
Writing helps organize your thoughts.
And sometimes you see that the problem is smaller than you think.
Yes, when it's only in your head, it feels big.
When it's on paper, it looks clearer.
That's very true. So, Emma, do you think bad days make good stories later?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Why?
Because later we laugh about them.
Like your forgotten salad?
Yes. Yesterday I was upset. Today it's funny.
Time changes everything.
Yes, time is powerful.
So maybe the lesson is bad days are temporary.
And feelings change.
And we are stronger than we think.
I like that.
Me too. So if today is a bad day for you,
Take a deep breath.
drink some water.
Rest if you can.
And remember,
This feeling will pass.
just keep going.
We believe in you.
Always.
Okay, now I feel calm.
Me too. This turned into a therapy session.
Free therapy.
Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you for listening to our simple English conversation.
We hope it helps your English.
And your heart.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Bye.